Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Golf 64. First, select your favorite character from the 14 available, each offering unique stats like power and control. Your primary objective is to complete each hole by getting your ball into the cup using the fewest strokes possible. Understanding your character's abilities and the basic controls is crucial for a strong start on the course. Get ready to tee off and enjoy the classic golf action. Mastering the swing meter is key to success in Mario Golf 64. You'll use a 3-click system. The first press of the A button starts the power meter. Press A again to stop the meter at your desired power level, aiming for 100% for maximum distance. Finally, a third A press, precisely in the sweet spot, determines your shot's accuracy, ensuring your ball flies straight towards the target. Strategic thinking is vital for conquering each course. Always examine the green's slope and contours to anticipate how your ball will roll after landing. Pay close attention to the wind indicator. Strong winds can drastically alter your shot's trajectory, requiring adjustments to your aim. Experiment with various shot types, such as a draw or fade, to curve the ball around trees or other hazards, optimizing your path to the hole. To truly excel, practice is essential. Spend time with each of the 14 characters to understand their unique strengths and weaknesses, finding the perfect match for your style. Don't forget to utilize special shots and character-specific abilities, which can provide a significant edge in challenging situations. Finally, dive into the various game modes, like tournament or ring shot, to continuously refine your skills and unlock exciting new courses and features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.